Hi, I'm Evan Evans, and I'll be your professor for this course, Calculus 1. To get to our course, find your course in our class in your Blackboard setting, click on it. If you happen to come in and you don't see all the hot tabs on the left, sometimes you have to hover to extend it out, and that'll give you access to the hot tabs on the left. It should bounce you into the announcement menu. From there, you'll see weekly announcements that'll go over or highlight what we're covering that week, as well as upcoming assignments and their due dates. Next, you can see the Start Here tab on the top. That'll take you to vital information, our equity statement, as well as my office hours and a short bio about myself, but my office hours for that semester will be located there, as well as a course outline, and then we'll have supplemental worksheets and answer keys available here as well. So if we have classwork in class, or if we're on an online class and you're working on supplemental worksheets, you'll find the answer keys located in here, as well as any exams or portfolios after the due date, after everybody's turned them in. I'll also release answer keys there so you can check your work from there. Next, what I'd like to go over is the syllabus. Syllabus has its own tab. Click on that and it'll take you directly to our syllabus. You can click on the syllabus, and for that semester it'll take you to vital information again with my office hours for that week, or I'm sorry, for that semester, as well as any meeting times that we have for our class, whether it be online or face-to-face. That'll be listed there, as well as my office hours and how to best contact me, which is always via email. Also, you'll see how you're going to get graded for the term. They'll have the assignments here, as well as their percentages here in this column. So just a reminder, we don't go by running total. We go by weighted percentages, so you can refer to the syllabus to calculate your grade at the end of the semester if need be. Also on the syllabus, you'll have the course outline here as well. Next thing I would like to go over is vector hours. Vector hours essentially is our online office hours. I do have face-to-face office hours, but I also have access to online office hours, and that'll be located here. If you click on that tab, it'll take you to a Zoom link for that semester and the dates that we'll be meeting, and you can use that to go over or to meet online. Next, we'll go over Portfolio 1. So we have 2 portfolios in the class in the course this year. If you click on that, they're simply detailed homework examples. They'll have the release date as well as when that portfolio is due, and you click on that portfolio to take a look at the detailed questions you have. Your goal is to answer these questions as detailed as possible, showing all the steps, and then you would submit it through this portal by the due date that's listed there for full credit. Gateway exam for this course, Calculus 1, we'll talk about more in detail as this course goes on, but essentially that is an exam that's basically on the shortcut derivatives. That is a pass-fail test that all calc courses here at FCC take. We also have a midterm exam as well as a final exam. If we're in a face-to-face class, you'll be taking the midterm and the final exam in class. If you're on an online class, you would take it here. You can either take it in the testing center, or there'll be access where you can, it's a pencil and paper test, and for those online classes, there'll be specific instructions on how to take those exams as well. And you would click there to find those out. For next, we get a textbook that's located down here. We use the OpenStax content, which is it's a free online resource, free textbook. So you can go down there. You can go by the individual chapters, obviously you're reading, or the book as whole. But it's a web-based free OER resource calculus book. So that's we're going to be doing. So we don't have to buy a textbook. We're going to use this portal. And again, it has detailed instructions. The expectations is that you read the section that's assigned, and then after you read the section that's assigned, there's always exercises at the back of the section, just like a regular textbook. And you're expected to do these. You're expected to do these assignments at the end. Do you have to do them all? No, you don't have to do them all, obviously, but you do want to do good reps, good practice. For order to get your homework credit, for our class. For instance, we break it down, like say in week 2, if we're in week 2 of the course, by the way, we have the tabs for each week for that course, for that semester, to kind of simplify information for you. You can see here in week 2, we're covering chapters 2.1 through 2.5, so you're expected to read. Here are the links to the chapters, those specific sections, so you click on that to read the section, and then obviously at the end of the section, you do the assignments or exercises that are listed at the back there. But to get homework credit, what we're looking to do is you have to post a solution to one of the even problems that are listed in that section. Review of functions, this is a 1.1 homework posting right here. You click on the 1.1 homework posting, and you see every student is required to post one solution to a homework problem that's an even problem in this section, so you have to do one even section. Problems are found at the end of the section, like we said. You're not allowed to repeat any problem that's already been done or already been posted by another student. It's on a first come, first served basis, and this will count towards your homework grade. They're worth 3 points. If you post it before the due date and it's correct, you're going to earn all 3 points. You post it before the due date and it's wrong, you're still going to get 2 out of 3 points. If you post it after the due date, it's late for whatever reason, but it's still correct, you're going to get 2 out of 3 points. If you post it after the due date and it's incorrect, you still get 1 point, 1 out of 3. And obviously, if you don't ever post anything, then it's going to be marked it down as a 0. So you would go to this section, and when you get to that section, you can see what you're going to do is you're going to post, hey, this is homework section 1.1, number 12. So right now, if I was interested to do number 12, it's off because a student already did number 12. So I have to choose another even problem in order to do this section to get credit for my homework. And this is the one problem that's going to get graded and go towards your homework grade. You are expected to continue to do more than just that problem, but that's in order to get graded. That's what you're going to get graded on. So, and you want to go through there and get good reps there. So that is the homework postings. And each week is divided out. So you can see in week 6, you click on week 6. If we happen to be in week 6, this is what we're covering that week, and the expectations will be to read, and then after you read, you post a homework solution for there. As we go through, another thing you can look for is obviously if you need to email, you can email, or you can email directly. Or my grades, if you want to find out when everything's due, you can click on my grades, and I'll show you all the assignments as well as their due dates when they're due. And you can plan ahead of when things are due. But again, they follow the syllabus, and we go from there. So I'm looking forward to working with you this semester. I know there might be some ton of questions, but I'll be happy to answer them either in class or online. And I look forward to working with you this term, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.